Now today we are learning mass. When we speak of mass, we should understand that mass is a unit where we measure, right? We measure things, right? Right. Now let's say that we have tons, kilograms, grams, milligrams as such. Now there is a simple logic that you should understand, that is, when you convert, in converting larger unit to a smaller unit, when you convert a large unit to a smaller unit, what do you do? We multiply, right? When converting a smaller unit to a larger unit, what do? We divide. And the conversions of the mass, when you weigh something, you get the mass of an object. When you weigh something, you get the mass of an object. We should understand that 1 ton is equivalent to 1000 kilograms. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equivalent to 1000 milligrams. Now, I hope that you know how much is 1 kilogram, right? If you think of a packet of sugar, huh? If the packet of sugar is 1 kilograms, you know how much it weighs, the way you feel, right? You can understand what it is. 1 gram, perhaps maybe few grains of sugar, a pinch of sugar. We'll say a pinch of sugar. You take it like this, a pinch of sugar, then it might be like 1 gram. 1 ton, of course, we cannot experience it. 1 ton is 1000 kilograms. I do not know. Maybe a baby elephant. I don't know. Right? A vehicle, a small car. This is small car will weigh around like 1000 kilograms. So these are the conversions that you should understand. Whatever it is, when you do the conversion from large unit to a smaller unit, what you should understand is that you should multiply. And when you convert from a small unit to a large unit, what you should do is you should divide. Did I make myself clear?
Yeah.
Did I make myself clear? Theorem?
Yes, sir.
Take it down. Now, when multiplying by 1000, what happens? Now, 1 kilogram. How many grams is it? We multiply 1 by 1000, that is 1000 grams. You should understand that 1 can be written as 1.0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1.0 multiplied by 1000. This 1000 is 10 into 10 into 10, which is 10 to the power 3. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
What happens is that when you multiply this by 1000, because it is 10 to the power 3, the decimal point jumps 3 times to the right. That is how you get 1000 as the final answer. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, if we have 0.0795 tons, how many kilograms is it going to be? There, 0.0795 multiplied by 1000. And when you multiply it by 1000, this moves 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It's 79.5 kilograms. Did I make myself clear, Theronada? let's say that we have 2.71 grams. How many milligrams is it? 2.71, you multiply by 1000. Again, this is 10 to the power what now? 10 to the power 3. Enough. 2.71, we have like any number of zeros you want, but since it is 10 to the power 3, this moves 3 times to the right. 1, 2, 3. And the final answer, 2710 milligrams. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Take it down.
Yes, sir.
Now, I have 2306 kilograms. How many tons is it? Now, you should understand that when there is a whole number, the decimal point is at the end. Now, when small into large, what should you do? You should divide. When multiply, the decimal point move to the right. Now, this is again 10 to the power 3. Now, this should move how many times behind? 1, 2, 3. Now, you should move 3 times to the back, which is 2.306 tons. Another
Yes, sir.
571 grams. I need you to write it in kilograms. Now, let's look at this. 571, you divide that by 1000. This is again 10 to the power 3. Now, previously we had zeros at the back. Now we have zeros in the front. Again, this is 10 to the power 3 and it is division. Therefore, this moves 3 back. That is 0.571 kilograms. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Take it down, darling. Now let's try to understand how to write a given mass in two units. I have 2.6 kilograms. I need to write the answer in kilograms and grams. Come here. Usually, for us to understand, the large unit will be the whole number and the smaller unit will be the what? Decimals. Did you understand, Puta? Yes or no? Large
Yes, sir.
unit will be the whole number and this the decimals, right? 2.6 in your head, you can break it down like 2 plus 0.6. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it is what? 2 kilograms and 0.6 kilograms. Now we have to leave the answer in what? Grams. Therefore, what do? We multiply this by 1000. When you multiply this by 1000, the decimal point moves, it is multiplication and it is what? 1000. Therefore, this should move 3 times to the right, which gives us 600 grams. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, 2.6 kilograms can be written as 2 kilograms and 600 grams. Did I make myself clear? Here another.
Yes, sir.
Take this down. Now let's say that I have 3571 grams. I want to give the answer in again kilograms and grams. In this case, we say that thousands are for the, let's say I have 13,000, thousands mark for the kilogram and the others hundreds for the grams. Am I clear? Now
Yes, sir.
look at this. This is 13,000 plus 571. Correct or wrong? Correct. So here we have it as 13,000 grams. 571 grams. Here you divide this by 1000. Again, remember 10 to the power 3. Now division. Small unit to large unit we divide. So here the decimal point is here. Moves 3 times backwards. 13 kilograms and 571 grams. Are we clear? Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. Take this down.